Alright guys, good day and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Alright, I know our channel will give you update on how you can make some cool dollars. And today I want to give you update on how you can make free USDT TRC20. And please keep following me. If this is your first time watching our YouTube channel or you have watched before you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, click on notification on the financial world. Alright guys, so I'll be taking you directly to what you need to do to earn free USDT. Alright, this is not a mining site, so you don't wait online. It's just a free site where you go and collect and transfer to a wallet before you transfer to your trust wallet, and it's easily transferable. You can transfer as many as 3 USDT per dollar to your account. Alright, so just first of all, you have to get this account to register. Alright, you have to get this account to register. Please, you have to get this account to register. Okay, let's go this way. USDT faucets. Okay, you see, um, any of this, you can use this or use this. So let's try this. Okay, let's try this and remove. All right, this is what we want. This is what any of this here can go. Any of this here can go. Okay, any of this here can go. So any of that. So let's go with the first. Let's go with the first. Now this is it. The first thing to do is to register. All right, is to register. So this is how the registration page look like. Put your mail, your username, your password, and confirm your password. Okay, then you click I'm not a bot, you submit. All right, I've already registered it, so that's why I'm not trying to register again. Okay, I've already registered, so I'm not trying to register again. Then after you are done with this one, you can now log in. Let's assume this is it. Let me log in with my username. Okay, I'll take it to another browser to log in. All right, so let's continue what we are doing. After you have gotten that account, you come here and fill faucets um, dot faucetpay.io. Okay, so you click remove. Now you see, when you get here, you also register. You sign up. After signing up, everything you need to sign up. This does not require anything referral or so. So you just sign up, and it will take you to the site. Let me bring you to this site where I already have mine. It will take you to this site. So we are done registering. It takes you to this place. Alright. So see this place. All you need to do is just simple. Okay. All you need to do is just simple now. USDT. You're seeing TRC20 USDT. Okay. This is my USDT. Alright. So I'll tell you what I do. So all you just need to do is to come to this place of deposits or link address first. You can come to. Let me show you what I did with my address. You see, my address is linked here. So what did I do? You come to deposits. You come to deposits. When you get to deposits, you scroll down to look for. You scroll down to look for TRC20. of course, to scroll down. I've already linked my wallet to it. All right. So when you come here, it will show you something like this: deposit with, you understand, with USDT. So all you just need to do is to copy go to your Trust wallet. You must have a Trust wallet or any other coins wallet you want to have, maybe Coinsbase or so. So you go there, you copy your USDT address, copy your USDT TRC20 address, copy it and come and paste it here. As soon as you paste it here, if you click it to deposit, if you click, for instance, let me click deposit with MetaMask. If you click it, it will take you to a place whereby you paste your, what is it called, your USDT. So it's just because I've done mine, that's why you're seeing it like this. So when you do that, then all you just need to do is to go back to your dashboard on USDT faucet.xyz. You can see it here. So I'm logging in. I'm trying to log in. All right, so I'm logging in. Go by the side. This is on desktop mode. Is to come by this side and click this here. You have to click this. Click this. So let me take that again. You have to click this here to mine. But before you do that, you just have to paste in your withdrawal. What's it called? Link. Yeah. Now remember on your faucetpay.ios, that is where you will copy, because I already linked your trust wallet there. So you copy that one and come and paste it here, or you go to your dashboard. You come to your dashboard and okay. So automatically when you paste it, automatically it will come up. Yeah. Right. So here is it. Here is it. Now, all you just need to do is to click here, as I said earlier. You see, it takes you to the page where you get your full USDT. And there is it. So here it's showing ready. It comes up every 2 minutes. So you do your capture test. True. So what will you? 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 9. So you click on this. When you click, you collect it. When you collect it, then all you just need to do to go to withdraw. Go to your dashboard. This is 10,000. Alright, so then you need to have enough before shooting. See, good. 8,000 Satoshi has been sent to your account. So if you go back there, you see my account increased. Alright, guys. So this is that just withdraw. Look at the withdraw. And this is the wallet. So let's go back to our faucetpay.ios page. Come to your overview. You will see everything there. And yes, so this is how we work. If you look at today's date, it's 25th of June 2022. That is when I did the last transfer to my wallet. So from here you cannot transfer to your USDT wallet. Okay, I don't want to transfer now. Let me just show you how to withdraw it. This is withdraw. You click on it. Since your USDT is linked there, TRC20. Good. Now see my trust wallet appear automatically. That is just it, simple as ABCD. Then you put the amount you want all there, then you do your transfer. All right, so you just place withdraw. All right, that is just all. In case you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Okay, drop it in the comment section there. Thanks, God bless you.